So this is Buxom Dolly's Glam Getaway. And I managed to use every single shade in my eye look today. Hello, beautiful people. This is Anne, Fabulous Life 101. Thanks for tuning in today. This is going to be a short video. I got this palette, Buxom Dolly's Glam Getaway. Love the title. Love the colors. It was on sale during Amazon Prime Days. Well, it wound up coming to my house like a day after I left to go on vacation, so I'm just now trying it. I decided, very rarely do I do this, but I decided this is just a 6-look mini palette. I'm going to use every single look in creating this eye look today. Okay, so this is the new Buxom palette. This, again, I got it Amazon Prime Days. And it's just a simple little, very portable palette with 6 shades. So I'm just going to use all of these shades today. Start with this one that's sort of a liner, this one down here. And it has a really nice smooth texture, very easy to apply. Putting it a little down the lower lash line as well. This is a soft tone. It doesn't like overwhelm the eyes like a heavy black would. So you can kind of go on a little thicker with this color. Now I really like this light pink. I think that's a nice base eye shade. So I'm just gonna cover this over my lids. So now look at this sort of a neutral purple gray shade. I'm going to take this and just go along the crease with this one. When you go slightly above the crease, it sort of opens up the eye a little bit. It can masquerade a hooded eye. Just gives you an overall more big open eye look. And so let's go with this little sparkly or dark color, this purple, and put that like the base about up to about midway in. And let's take. Okay, now I'm taking a different brush and I'm going to use this like white shade and go from the inner corners up with this. And I just need to do a lot of blending now, right? So this, I think, is one of the prettiest colors, this little pink here. So I'm going to just blend everything together by adding this nice soft pink shimmer. So there we go. I've got kind of a smoky pink eye look, and I used every single color in this palette. Okay, so here's the completed look using this new Buxom palette, Dolly's Glam Getaway, and I did use every shade in this palette today. I topped it off with the Charlotte Tilbury new mascara. I'm going to put a link below to all of the products that I used during my makeup today. But anyway, that's the video for today. Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.